Hello guys, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to adjust image size and position in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, you can see here there is my video but there is no mic. I need to add my mic to my top of the head, in this video. So I'm just drag and drop this image and stretch it to full of the video. You can see here and simply select the image, then select here this one and select transform. Okay, now you can easily move this image and also just adjusting size like this. This is one of the most good feature in DaVinci Resolve. So it is very simple adjusting image on a screen. Okay, in this way you can crop not cropping, resize your image and get position in anywhere. Okay, so very simple. And also you can adjust the size of image by clicking here and just drag like this. And also you can use the position. X means left or right and Y means top and bottom, this one. Okay, so you can do it from here. So it's very simple. Okay guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replays as videos so you can easily watch that. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.